Okay, so this is $7 a month app, okay, made by Leica in order to get your photos to look like Leica camera photos. And this is a $5,000 Leica lens mounted on $6,000 Sony camera. So Sony A9 Mark III, 50mm, a Summilux lens. And I'm gonna play with those and see which one can give me interesting results. I kind of know already what's the answer, but they just came up with this app. So let's test this bad boy. So I'm using my iPhone 14 Pro, so not the newest, but yeah, should be good. Yeah, let's do it. All right, so I'm just gonna start with the phone. I just installed the app. What I noticed is if you want to shoot RAW, you cannot use the lens simulations. You can just shoot RAW, which doesn't make sense. So I'm not gonna shoot RAW. I'm gonna use the simulations. So in order to do that, you have to go to aperture mode. I'm gonna switch to 50mm. It's saying that it's gonna look like 50mm Noctilux. I'm gonna switch the aperture from 1.2 to 1.4. Leica Lux Contemporary, and let's just do it. Let's just like couple portraits. For some reason on the camera, like here on the screen, it just looks so bad. Like the cutout is just the worst. But let's just whoop, whoop. Maybe one like this. Whoop. All right, and the Summilux that I'm using on my Sony A9 Mark III is mounted via TechArt adapter, so I'm actually using autofocus for this. So it's gonna work with, you know, the eye autofocus. One. As you can see, I'm trying to keep the distance. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'm gonna try like a farther spot. All right. Gonna be honest, there's no way this app looks good. Like I'm not sure what's happening, but this is not looking good, my friends. Is it my iPhone? Like, what is it? Look at the cutout. It's like paintbrush cutout. It doesn't look good, my friends. What's happening? I'm gonna judge the bokeh in front of the computer, but here, like the bokeh looks actually really nice. I like the bokeh, I just hate the cutout. Let's find something with like the 2 layers. So we're gonna use now like the front layer of something blurry in the front, then my subject, and then something in behind the subject. So maybe take a few steps back. So I'm gonna be shooting through the leaves. I think I'm gonna need to get closer. And take a look this direction, or maybe stand back to me. That looks nice. Like the preview on the screen just looks so weird. I'm not sure why, but I'm going with it. Stay like this, please. I'm just laughing. Leica, what have you done? What are they doing with this app? Like, what's happening? I don't know. Like, can you check this on your phone? Is it my phone? What's happening? Let me know down in the comments if yours is better, but that just looks so bad. I don't know. I wanted this video to be like, this app is so good that it can shoot like better than $10,000 setup. Like, it's not even close. Okay, one last one, and maybe in sun, maybe where we have more light. Let's go for direct sun. More to the side, and chin down. Okay, let's do this one now. No, this video is gonna be way shorter than I anticipated. I'm saying no to this app, at least on my phone. It just looks terrible. Such a company like Leica that takes so much effort into the design, into making everything super epic and awesome, just making app like this, it's just bizarre to me. I don't know what to say about this. I'm gonna stick to my $10,000 combo, way better than the $7 app. That's it from me now. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more funsies about Leica stuff, and yeah, see you in the next video. Bye.